proud to be a Koori and I'm proud to be a footy player. It's such an honour for me and my team to get out on the field knowing that children, their parents and their grandparents are looking up to us. Footy unites everyone, and for us Aboriginal people, it's in our blood. It's such a great outlet for Aboriginal sporting talent. Because I'm a role model, I'm speaking out against domestic violence. Hurting women isn't cool, it's a serious crime.
Domestic violence is a crime. It destroys communities, rips apart families, and travels with children for the rest of their lives. It's not part of who we are. It's not acceptable. It's got to stop.
Make a commitment today against domestic violence.